going to be kind of a chill day with still some riding involved, because tomorrow we start making our way back to North Carolina, and I think we're going to hit a couple of seafood markets on the way home and buy maybe some lobster and some other shit that we can cook up for dinner tonight. Should be a fun day. Good morning. This is day 7 of our Canada adventure. Today we are heading to, what's it called?
Annapolis Royale.
Annapolis Royale, and the bay of, is it Fundy?
Fundy Bay.
Fundy Bay. It's about a 2-hour ride from here. We're gonna grab some lunch, and yeah, I know. I know. That's what I have to say about it. So, we're gonna grab some lunch, hang out there for a while. It's gonna be kind of a chill day with still some riding involved, because tomorrow we start making our way back to North Carolina, and I think we're gonna hit a couple of seafood markets on the way home and buy maybe some lobster and some other shit that we can cook up for dinner tonight. Should be a fun day, but yeah, it's freaking beautiful. Let me show you what it looks like outside here. It's been gorgeous. We've had beautiful weather this trip, except for the freaking, 300-degree day heat that we had coming down here. It's freaking gorgeous outside today. They're the girls. They're doing their thing. And I would be remiss. Happy anniversary to the most supportive, best friend guy could ask for, my wife. When we planned this trip, the only time we could do it was if I was going to be gone for my anniversary. So 27 years ago this day, the best woman I've ever met in my life said I do to a schmuck like me. So happy anniversary, sweetie. I'll keep you guys with me today, and we'll see how it goes. Let the adventures begin. Peace.
What's up? So we started out today. There was a submarine in the channel when we crossed the bridge, and that should have alerted me to the fact that they was going to be full of a bunch of different surprises. When you take road trips, you never know what you're actually going to run into. You never know what's going to happen on any given day. You just kind of accept it, roll with it, and enjoy the experience. And today, when we rode out to Annapolis Royale, I gotta tell you, I didn't expect everything that happened today to happen. So I'm not gonna talk a whole bunch over this video. There is way more candid content in this video than any of the others that I've produced to date, because I recorded today differently. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm going to give a shout out to Back Alley Catfight. They gave me a song. It's a high school band that's friends with my son, and we went to a recording studio this past weekend and recorded a track, and they made a track for me to use on the channel. So that's what you're listening to in the background. That's what you're going to hear while we're riding today. So I wanted to give them a shout out and tell them how much I appreciated what they did for me. But we're getting ready to pull into Annapolis Royale. Enjoy it. You're going to see where we ate. You're going to see what happened while we were there. And you're going to see the result of the aftermath of what happened when we were there. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, click the notification bell. See you soon.
We made it. We're here. I'm gonna have lunch at the Whiskey Teller. Pretty cool little spot. They have dogs. This is a really cool little town. But, yeah, and the whiskey selection at this place, not the best one I've seen, but the prices are certainly the best ones I've seen. They've got slow smoked pulled beef on a brioche bun. I think that might be what I have to get. Right now I gotta go get a drink because, you know, we're on vacation. We met this cute little dog, Hudson. He's right here. There's Hudson. Did you get some water, buddy? Yes. You're gonna be on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a go. Screwed up. Didn't get any video or pictures of my meal, but it was freaking delicious. This is the place on the inside. Best shirt I've seen in my entire trip. Bourbon is a vegetable. Oh yeah, you've looked at the lens on that. You got a single lens on the camera. It's just freaking gorgeous here.
Everything's just so thought up and built out.
Know what the story is behind those? I know. It's all the way down. People built them. God, man, this place is freaking gorgeous. I'd live here in a heartbeat if it was like this year round.
Yeah. You know what else is good? So would a ton of other people.
Yeah, I know. Absolutely. Oh, can I say hi? Hey, what's your name? Hannah. You're a sweetie. Yes, you are. Just the queen of the Tail Waggers Club. Thank you. Remember what the name of the fort is?
Fort Anne.
Fort Anne, or what's left of it. What's it say? Huh?
First permanent settlement in North America, north of St. Augustine.
Wow. What year was it settled?
1788 or something like that.
What?
Good film there.
Why?
Still there.
Oh shit. Sorry, you don't mind me filming, do you?
No, it's all.
Well, I've just thought this has got me all confused.
What has?
Well, I'm a Brit, and I don't expect to see an English lobby in a...
I know. I was walking by filming the street from my channel, and one of my buddies said, "You need to go film in there. There's a Bobby in there." And I'm like, "Oh,
Well, we can go outside if you want.
Oh, so it's wearing handcuffs. Oh, underground, yes, what's the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now you've got everybody. Where are you all from? You're going to go to
Yeah, you did.
Oh,
You
what?
told me.
Officer in there.
Oh,
Well, there you go. There he is. Sweet. That's outstanding. It really is. That's outstanding. Good call. I've got a ton of good film today. Ran into the dude downtown who said to come over and check out the motorcycle club rally. So we rode over here. It's a hell of a place to have a clubhouse, dude.
But
Now, were you guys co-racers?
we were MC then. We just got rid of the MC here 2 years ago. Yeah.
No, what, your RC?
No, we're just independents now. We had a patch.
Yeah.
We had a patch day basically the same, only we used to have 3-piece rocker Nova Scotia on the bottom, and now it's one piece with that one for all. Well, this patch thing there somewhere there was. That's it now, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but this is all one. It used to be 3-piece, same center.
This is cool.
That's all the presidents up there on the wall. Starting from the top left.
Well, the Angels.
Wow.
Works from the top until down to
The original.
Current.
last president. Their president is not up yet.
And
He's on his 5th year.
Really?
The only way we
Yeah,
can stay
5th year being
get
president.
rid of all goalie riders.
He's soon gonna.
And they said, you guys in, and we want Nova Scotia back. The only asked for that were Nova Scotia. Right? This was the Angels. And even Buckets, you know, the people who were here in Maritime, they had problems on, they had Canada on the property.
All right, this place is cool. 74th Crusaders Clubhouse.
See the clubhouse better.
Oh, yeah, the old clubhouse guy, I'm sorry. That door was.
Thank you.
Wow. From that door over.
From this door over. Look at that, Jim. Up there. On the left, straight right.
That was
Oh, wow.
That's the
Just
size
this
of
piece
us.
right here.
Yeah, just that.
Oh,
up
Come
there.
up, kitchen.
Thank you.
And a wooden barrel. Oh, stove.
Oh, yeah, geez, man, back in the day, we had no money to start here for it. We still ain't got no money, but we got a lot around us.
This is really cool.
The only thing, when we got this piece of property in this building, it was originally a boat club here. You know, they had boats down here. Oh, I'm
Oh,
sorry.
yeah. No, you're fine.
And,
I want you in it.
anyway, some of the boat club members were actually riding motorcycles. And, we were a bunch that just rode around, got together and rode every night. So we said, well, we should start an organized club. But we didn't have a place to stay. When the boat club members said, well, the old boat club's not being used, and we'd like to see somebody take it over because the kids were beating windows out of it. And, so we did it all up legal, gave them a buck, and it was ours.
Mm.
It's $1 million property, right? It's $1 million property.
How I got my first
Yeah.
motorcycle for a buck.
Did you?
92. Just to make it legal.
Yeah.
To make it legal from my father. Yeah. For a buck. Yeah.
After it had sat for how many years?
8 years. So it took me about 7,000 to put it back on the road. But
Right.
yeah. After
My first bike, 650 bar.
Hmm.
A lot of British bikes back in the days around.
Yeah. Royal Enfield.
And
Yeah.
then Japanese started. When I remember the second bike I had was a 73 754 Honda, which I bought brand new.
Wow.
And that was quite an experience till Kawasaki came up with the 900 Ks. They had it, 2 years later or something? Well, 750 was obviously that Honda.
Yeah.
But when it first came out, that was a 4-cylinder motorcycle back in the 70s.
looks like you guys go to Laconia every year or sort of.
Yeah, well, I'm down this year, but different members go. Yeah, we try it.
Is it a nice rally?
Yeah. You guys ever been up Laconia?
No. We went to Sturgis 2 years
Oh,
ago.
yeah, I love it.
But when we, in fairness, we showed up on Sunday.
Yeah.
Didn't want to be in the middle of it.
Yeah.
I just wanted to experience that part.
But, and this year we went to Laconia. We did it in the middle of the week. It was a week long, years ago. Every weekend.
Yeah.
Always Father's Day weekend. So we went down for the week and we attended like the Wednesday and Thursday. And it was busy, but not, it was their 100th anniversary. So we knew the last weekend it'd be crazy, which it was, although they did have heavy rain. But we got out of there before that, missed the rain, and headed home here.
How long was that ride?
We used to, the St. John Ferry, at that, back in the 80s when we got used to run, it was as soon as you get New Hampshire, you get the cheap liquor. We always had to stop.
Yeah, New Hampshire.
We don't do that.
No, we do that. New Hampshire. I lived in Connecticut for a while.
Sure.
I was stationed there on a sub.
Yeah.
And the first time I rode through New Hampshire, it shocked the crap out of me because they literally have exits off the interstate solely for a liquor store.
Yes.
You're cruising along the interstate and it's like liquor store exit, and you just pull off. It's like a rest area. Pull off, buy your booze, pull right back on the road. I'm like, that's brilliant. Why aren't more states doing that?
Back in the 80s, he's gone now, he passed away. He was like the club mascot here. Derek Todd was his name. And he had a gold wing. And he'd always keep his trunk empty. When he hit New Hampshire, two half gallons, right perfect in his trunk. And we were down there like 3 or 4 days, and when he come home, they were gone. He had stopped getting corn.
Oh, yeah.
He was a hard drinker. But hey, Johnny. So yeah, it was a lot of memories back then.
That's cool.
You gotta get to work. You going down paint more?
No, I gotta sit there.
Oh right. Okay, we'll see you later.
No kidding, guys. This was an epic day, and I'm glad I got to bring you guys along with me to see it. It's so you just saw it. Long story short, while we were walking around through Annapolis Royale, we ran into another biker, and we were talking to him about what the statues meant, the stone stacks, the rock stacks that were on the jetty, what they meant and what they represented, and he was talking to us about that, and what I remember of the conversation is they make them every year. Then the winter freeze comes in, it shifts all the rocks around, and they have to start over again. Quick note, we're passing Mahone Bay right now and Oak Island. It ended up being something I thought David had done intentionally because he was leading the group, and he knew that, I've got this fascination with the Curse of Oak Island. Turns out it was nothing like it was just sheer karma. Waze had exited us off the interstate and sent us by Mahone Bay and back on the interstate because of a traffic problem. So, it was just another fateful thing that happened on this day. But it was cool meeting those guys. So, 74th Crusaders, if any of y'all are watching this video, ride safe, brothers. It was great meeting y'all. The hospitality was fantastic, and loved your clubhouse. If we ever get up there again, we are for sure gonna come back by and see you. So yeah, but that's kind of how shit rolled today. It was a strange day, but we had a blast. We enjoyed it. On the way home, we had some hiccups, but we still made it home. We cooked dinner. We had a good meal. We hung out together.
We had a fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed watching it. David?
Really? Here, let me give you something to look at. Nice.
So, we're done. I'm going to drink, download some videos, and we're going to watch Wild Hogs tonight because we decided we were going to do it. So, always ride safe.
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, shoot. Ah. Asshole.